Welcome to another insightful video from cryptochangex.com. Today we will be examining the right way to use your crypto wallets. When it comes to managing your cryptocurrency, a secure and reliable crypto wallet is key. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one for you? That's where Know the Ropes comes in. We'll guide you through the ins and outs of crypto wallets, from understanding the different types of wallets, to how to securely store your private keys, to evaluating the best options for your specific needs. With this information, you'll be able to confidently manage your crypto assets and protect your investments. What is a cryptocurrency wallet, anyway? When we hear the word wallet, we automatically get a mental image of the pocket or purse pouch where we put our cash, ID cards, credit and debit cards. Unlike cash, however, digital currencies are not stored in a specific location and do exist in a physical form. Crypto assets and transactions exist on what is known as a blockchain. What is blockchain? Blockchain is just a fancy name that reverses to a running ledger of transactions. If you would like to learn more about how blockchains work, I will leave a link in the description to another of my videos that discusses blockchain functions in detail. Back to wallets. A cryptocurrency wallet has software that creates and stores what is known as private and public keys. It has the ability to interact on the blockchain. It monitors your assets, and allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies to and from other crypto holders. In short, if you plan to do anything in the world of crypto, you will need a crypto wallet. Probably a better way to understand a crypto wallet is to think of it as a key. It is the key that opens the vault to your crypto assets, as well as being the key that allows you to offer your coins for sale on the blockchain or purchase other coins available on the blockchain. Let's explore how crypto wallets work. Let's use an analogy to help ourselves understand. Please just remember that analogies are simply a tool to help us grasp a concept and do not explain every aspect perfectly. Since we are intimately familiar with traditional banking institutions, let's imagine your bank as the blockchain. Your bank account number would represent your public key. Your crypto wallet represents your mobile banking app, and your login credential represents your private key. In the traditional banking world, your bank keeps records of all the transactions, all your payments and deposits. In like kind, the blockchain keeps a record of all the transactions that you and all other crypto users make. In the traditional banking scenario, you can check your balance and order payments and transfers. Similarly, a cryptocurrency wallet is the gateway, allowing you to check balances as well as send and receive transactions. In the crypto world, if you have another person's public key, you can easily send them crypto assets. However, without the private key, you will not be able to withdraw assets from their wallet. In a nutshell, this is the basic functionality of a crypto wallet. From a high vantage point, there are two categories that crypto wallets fall into. First is cold wallets, and then there are what we call hot wallets. In short, cold wallets do not have a fixed connection to the internet, and hot wallets are connected to the internet. Let's talk about cold wallets. Sometimes you will hear a cold wallet referred to as a hardware wallet. This is because they are generally a piece of electronic hardware that you personally keep in your safekeeping. Most cold wallets are simply a solid-state drive that can be connected to a computer or mobile device when you need to interact with the blockchain. Falling back to our previous analogy, instead of driving from your house to the bank, you simply connect the cold wallet to the internet to perform your transactions. Hardware wallets are designed to safely create and store your private keys offline, where there is no possibility of hacking or theft. As such, your digital assets are stored in a much safer vault than if they are in a hot wallet. Storing your cryptocurrency with a hardware wallet is the safest and most secure way to manage your funds. Check out the description for links to the latest and best crypto wallets that I recommend. But wait, before you run out and buy your hardware wallet, let me give you a couple pointers. First, never buy a used hardware wallet. Only purchase new from the manufacturer or a manufacturer's certified retailer. The reason for this is that hackers can possibly tamper with the software and resell a device that has malware that will actually steal your private keys. As we have discussed earlier, with your private key, they then can gain control over your digital currency. The second piece of advice I have is to always make sure that when you have your wallet connected to your PC or mobile device, that you only access URLs that are secure. Make sure the URL address is preceded with HTTPS rather than HTTP. There are too many phishing scams online that pretend to be the real website you intend to access. If you access a fake website, you may lose your funds or receive a hacked wallet. Hot wallet. The second crypto wallet category we will discuss is the hot wallet. For beginners, I recommend that you start with a Coinbase account. I will leave a link in the description below that will allow you to get some free crypto. One advantage of a hot wallet is improved accessibility and a provision for connectivity to the trading platform you use. A hot wallet will give you increased transactional simplicity over the internet. Basically, if you plan on doing any crypto trading, or if you want to simply earn from staking your crypto assets, then you will need to have an online or a hot wallet. As you already know, people like to use cold wallets for their security. However, reputable exchanges such as Coinbase offer their hot wallet when you create an account. Coinbase or Binance, for example, have their own proprietary digital wallets that use cutting-edge security along with live monitoring that makes their security very close to that of a cold wallet. One of the disadvantages of a cold wallet is the cost. While you can get a free hot wallet from Coinbase or Binance, a cold wallet will set you back on average $100 or more. Depending on how much you plan to invest in crypto, this price tag may be insignificant or it may be totally prohibitive. If your plans are to start small, I recommend starting with a reputable hot wallet. As your experience and investment in crypto increases, you can later invest in a cold wallet to hold your crypto coins that you are not planning to actively trade. The choice between a hot wallet and a cold wallet will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you need quick and easy access to your crypto for trading and transactions, a hot wallet might be the best choice for you. However, if security is your top priority, a cold wallet is the way to go. Unfortunately, crypto wallet risks are not limited to just technical issues. There are also numerous scams targeting investors in the cryptocurrency market. So let me leave you with some final thoughts that will help you avoid common pitfalls that crypto investors fall into. First, take the time to educate yourself about the cryptocurrency world. One way to do so is to make sure you are subscribed to this channel. In all seriousness, one of the most common mistakes people make is investing in cryptocurrency without doing any upfront research. It's easy to get distracted by the potential to make big returns. As a result, many investors jump in unaware of the risks involved. Don't get me wrong, all of us are interested in the potential gains that crypto presents. Just don't let yourself get the gold fever. It will cloud your judgment and make you rush without taking the time for proper research and understanding. Second, many people believe that if something goes wrong with their crypto wallet or their cryptocurrency funds, they can simply reach out to someone for help. Unfortunately, this is not the case. If you lose the password to your digital wallet, if your digital wallet is stolen or compromised, or if you send cryptocurrency to the wrong person, it is unlikely that anyone will be able to help you recover your funds. You probably have heard the horror stories of people digging through trash or even landfills trying to find their lost crypto wallet. Please don't ever let yourself be in that position. Autonomy is one of the beautiful things about cryptocurrency, but it also means that you and you alone are in control and responsible. Finally, understand that crypto wallet risks are not limited to just technical issues. I wish our world was free from bad actors, but the reality is there are numerous scams targeting investors in the cryptocurrency market. Around the world, multiplied, thousands of people have lost millions and millions to scams and thieves. If the recent FTX scandal does not prove this point, then nothing will. Which leads me to my final piece of advice for this video. Always only use an exchange that has voluntarily submitted to a reputable governmental regulatory agency. Exchanges such as Coinbase and Binance have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars becoming compliant and licensed by USA regulatory authorities. By following this one rule in my crypto investment, I fortunately avoided the losses that some of my friends experienced when FTX fell. In saying that, I don't mean to insult anyone, but simply to pass on to you a friendly success tip. Thanks for spending the past few minutes with me. I have enjoyed your company. Take a moment to subscribe to the Crypto Changex channel, and if you have found anything helpful today, give this video a thumbs up. May all your trades be a success. Cheers.